Hello everyone, and I just wanted to quickly share the excitement of an unboxing. Normally I wouldn't do something like this, but I've been waiting for this since mid-December, I think, which might give you a clue as to what it is, or at least narrow it down to perhaps one or two things. So let's have a look. At least I think this is what it is. I mean, obviously I haven't checked that carefully. Yes, it is. So this is the most exciting part of it. It's a new Ryzen 5000. It's the 5600, so it's the base model. 5600X. You can see from there, and this is going to be the new processor I use on my sort of video editing box and sort of day-to-day usage. It's not going to be the processor I use in my workstation. I'm actually hoping to upgrade that a little bit later, but this whole thing works as a plan. So this CPU will go in my existing video editing system and replace a 3300X that's in there, and it'll actually go in that motherboard. But this is just an M.2 drive, which will go in my workstation actually. This will actually be the new motherboard for my workstation, which will have, for at least the time being, the 3300X will go in here. So it's going to be a bit of a shuffle. So, and the idea is that I can get a better Ryzen 5 for that in the future. So yeah, so this go in my video rendering system, replacing the 3300X. 3300X goes in here, goes into my daily workstation, and in the future I'll get another Ryzen 5, and then my old workstation CPU I'm actually going to use as a basic server. So it's going to be a lot of shuffling. Going to have to shuffle the old workstation stuff into the server and swap some processors around. So that'll be good. It's quite a good lockdown activity, rebuilding and plus messing about with computers, so I'm looking forward to that. And this is just going to be the main. It's going to replace an SSD, go on here, replace the SSD that's the boot disk for my workstation. So that's it. This should be good fun. But yeah, waited a long time for this, like many of us I think. Yeah, ordered it in mid-December, arrived end of January. That's okay. It's not like I was in desperate need of a computer. All my computers work pretty well. So yeah, so well, I'll keep you updated and let you know how I get on. Okay, thanks very much. I'll see you later.